Hello! I am here today with hi. This is today I'm going to be playing Candy Simulator with, as you can see on my right, just looked over to me, my friend.
No, I'm not.
Ta-da. We'll save that for another video if you guys want it. If you wanna, guys. Okay, so we've played this game for a little bit. So no, we haven't even. This is our first day playing it. So wait, how do I get money? Oh, it's candy. Candy is money. I could buy stuff, but I don't think. No, Killian, you just walk into it. How much did he give you? That's 300. I'm gonna spawn this. I'm gonna spawn kill this. Haha. Die. Die. Mohaha. You'll never forget me. This not gonna give you like. What's that? No, it's not. Who's the best guy on the server? See, this guy. We need to beat him.
Is it the rainbow guy?
Yep.
Wait, it is?
Yep.
No, it's not. It's not.
Oh.
Damn.
He is?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, he is. He has 37 speed though. Hey, I can run pretty fast now. Can I jump at this donut? Come on. Nope. I'm never reaching that. Oh, look how. Whoa. That's 124. Boing. I just jumped right there. What do you mean? Stop. I got him. You can't steal these bears from me. I'm a god. Hello again. And we decided to play a different game. Yeah. So now we're playing Texting Simulator. I have $10,000. Why have you have 10,000? Wait, come here. Wait, can we buy a phone? I can. Wait, can we buy the next one? No, look, we could buy new phones. 300. 50. I'm at the buy phone place. Let me just buy a good phone right now. Oh, it's starting to get expensive. 2,000? I think that might be the last one, I think. Yeah, that's 20,000.
I'm gonna
Let's put this. But I think there's like a daily reward. Maybe. Oh yeah, daily reward. Look, it says daily reward. Team Apple. I'm in Team Apple. Yes. Sweet. Yeah, I'm on Team Apple. What team are you on? What team are you on, Kevin? Wow, look how. So what does the Apple boost do? Blue screen use. Neon blue share. Oh, look. Okay. So Okay, go to the middle. Actually, go to the, oh, you see? Look, come here, over here. Do you like Apple or Droid better? Okay, so, and then now we can, if you go in here, in the blue gun. This one? No, turn around. This one? Yeah. Go in that blue door. Not letting you go in. Here, zoom out. You go in there. Okay, so now if you go here, go in there and join. Go up to him. Walk forward. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Sweet. Okay. Now you're in Team Apple, so now we get like I'm a text. I don't know. I'm insane texter. That's oh. Yeah, you can like send. Ooh, I'm going in here. It's like an obby on hearts. Yeah, I'm not going in the middle. Should I? Ooh, you can't. No. I need to finish this. Yeah, let me get my phone out of my hand. Sorry, phone. Actually, I'm too addicted. Got to. No! I'm so bad at obbies. These are some of my first videos. Total? Almost 10,000. What? What? Getting smaller, get bigger. I'm not moving until you get bigger. Thumbs on fire. I just grinded my text. I did. They say they grew bigger. Come on. No, they're still not big. What? This game? Come on, eat your heart. Here, I'll do that another time. And you guys probably, I might make a series on this. So, you got thumbs on fire. Sell text. Oh, I have 20,000. I can buy this. Buy the next phone. I've been texting a lot. I just sold my text. You just sell your text. You see the big like, whoa, look, this like big thing in the middle. You could sell your text in the middle, in like the middle of everything. Ooh. Well, I'm gonna do this. Eat, sleep, text. I think this one might be much easier. No, never mind. Ejected. I've been ejected for way too long now. But I think it's just messing me up, so sorry.
How many texts do you have?
Total 19,000. Oh, there's not a
Oh, I have 30. I have 31,000. How many diamonds?
150.
Come on, buddy. Yeah. I have 40,000.
How do you already have 40,000? Where's this achievement chest?
Brother.
Let's get this. Oh my gosh,
How do you put the text
by phones and emojis. Partners. 50K, dang it. Dang it.
Wait, but
I'm just gonna. You get like new phones and new emojis. What emoji do you have? You have some normal emoji? Whoa. I literally logged myself out. I logged myself out. Okay. Okay. So now we just boom. I just there's nobody on Team Droid right now. Yeah. This right there. Right up there. No, because we already picked Team Apple. Well, we get plus 14 power. What do Team Droid do? Wait, I'm not
I can't press.
Oh, yeah, I can't even talk to Mr. Larry. What? Okay. Okay. One of my texts. Wait, we haven't even checked it over here yet. Unlock hacker access with 100,000 money. And then there's PCs. Wait, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 50 million. Okay. I think that's gonna be it for today's video. And so, oh, I got an idea. So I'm just gonna look at my phone. Oh, all gaming. Subscribe. Like button. Oh, I should probably subscribe, turn on notifications, and like the video right now. Right now, do it. Or this emoji is gonna turn to a sad face, and this emoji is also gonna turn to a sad face, and all these happy emojis are gonna turn sad, and then this guy's gonna be crying even more.